CM Panchal, exercise number 69. I thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak on this important document. This draft plan is a very important document placed by our esteemed Prime Minister on the table of the House on the 26th April. In the draft plan, it will be seen that for energy, only a small amount has been provided. Sufficient amount has not been provided in the draft plan. If the Energy Minister does not get more funds, how can there be more generation of electricity? Electricity generation has to be given to topmost priority. As a matter of fact, due to shortage of power, most of the industries are now in difficulties and only 50 to 60% of the capacity is being utilized. Our Prime Minister will also agree that even the capacity of government undertakings is not being utilized properly. There have been answers by the Industry Minister and Energy Minister to various questions that due to shortage of power, about 50% capacity of Heavy Engineering Corporation cannot be utilized. Para. As a matter of fact, some of the sections of the steel plants are still closed. 30 to 40% of the capacity is being utilized there. It is mainly due to shortage of powers, so sufficient funds should have been provided in the plan for electricity generation. I would like to give an example of Faraka Power Station. It has been hanging fire since long, but there is no mention of that in the draft plan. Para. Now money has been provided for it. How will the industries survive if the industries cannot survive? If even 60% of the capacity of the industries cannot be utilized for want of power, then there will be more unemployment. Lakhs and lakhs of people have been laid off. Over.